Hi there. Secret location. Paulie left town. Follow me.
Can I torch it? Looky. Oh, I get the good one. See how good he is to me? Where is it? Boogie. Pretty well done.
Magnificent.
Oh, it looks like it goes down up further. We don't want it to go down.
Think about a bulkhead in here.
Yeah, it looks pretty wide, doesn't it? That's very disappointing. I can't drive it.
Tail shaft. There's the axle.
Oh man, that's... Look at all the pick marks.
That's heartbreaking. Just imagine if somebody was here with a pick and shovel and dug it.
Oh, that's a bummer. All that effort to find this shaft and to get down here, and it's a shallow one. Look at all the pick marks. Soft clay. We'll have to put holes in there. And they stopped.
And the car broke too. How disappointing.
That's a bitch. Oh well. That's a bummer. So they certainly fucking dug out a lot. It's fucking pretty wide.
Not many you can stand up straight in.
No.
I don't want to go home. I don't want to.
That's bullshit. This is where we are. Middle of friggin' nowhere. Effort to get down here. And it's a dead end. What a bitch.
Not a dead end.
Say goodbye, Darren.
Till next time, Kerry and Darren's Productions.